Okay, let's sum up Chapter 11. We've now finished our first body system. So the integumentary system consists of skin, hair, and nails. The skin is the major defense organ of the body and consists of the epidermis, dermis, and hypodermis. Skin disorders are classified as infectious, inflammatory, or cancerous. Integumentary medications are given either topically or systemically based on the diagnosis. Skin infections are caused by bacteria, parasites, viruses, and fungi, and medications include antibiotics, antifungals, antivirals, pediculicides, scabicides, and retinoids. Inflammatory conditions include burns, atopic dermatitis, and psoriasis. The types of skin cancers include the common basal cell carcinoma, squamous cell carcinoma, and malignant melanoma. Thorough skin assessment can detect problems early on, and an understanding of treatments and available medications is essential for your true patient advocacy. So I worked in dermatology for over a year when I started my career as a medical assistant. And this is one of the most demanding areas for a medical assistant to work. I know it doesn't seem like it. It seems like, oh, it's the skin. It would be fun. There's so many different things that you can cleanse the skin with and, those basic things that you think of for dermatology. But in actuality, the medical assistant is responsible, typically in a dermatology office, to not only room the patient, take the chief complaint, but also to assist in minor surgeries, as well as in many dermatology offices, you are responsible for charting as the patient is being seen by the doctor. The doctor will then say all of the different review of systems and areas, and you're responsible for marking and charting all of the information that the doctor is actually saying out loud to you while she's speaking to the patient. And this can be tricky and takes a little bit of time, but it's also a really fun place to be. We did have placement in a dermatology office this last year for our externs, and that extern loved it and was offered the position. So consider dermatology, and if you do, you'll definitely need to come back to this information in Chapter 11 for the integumentary system. I hope you have a great day, and I'll talk to you later. See you in class. Bye.